Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Ade Afransyah. In 5 minutes later, I would like to present our article presentation about teacher needs analysis on 2022 to 2030. The author of this article are firstly, Professor Dr. Rusdina MPD. Secondly, Dr. Anissa MPD. And thirdly is myself, Ade Apriansyah MPD. Before I talk much about the result of this article, I would like to introduce first about this article. This study aims to analyze the needs of junior high school, or in Indonesia we call SMP, junior high school teachers in 2022 to 2030 in Sujinjung Sub-District. There are many regulations in Indonesia to manage the junior high school teachers. Some of them will be discussed in this article. First regulation is government regulation number 74 of 2008 concerning teachers. And secondly, regulation of the Minister of National Education of the Republic of Indonesia number 41 of 2007 concerning process standard for basic education unit and medium. And thirdly, regulation of Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia number 23 of 2013 concerning amendment to Regulation Minister of National Education number 15 of 2010 concerning minimum service standards for basic education in district or cities. Regulation, the last one, Regulation of Minister of Education and Culture of Republic of Indonesia number 15 of 2018, article on fulfilling the workload of teachers, principals, and school supervisors. The method used in this article qualitative method and quantitative method. Qualitative method, we use documentation study to find some documents like I told before, the documentation about the regulation from internet. Then in qualitative method, we use forum group discussion. We invite some policymaker in Sijunjung Sub-District to discuss about the teacher needs. And the second method is quantitative method. We will use formula to count the student projection and formula to count the number of teachers in this article. The formula to count the student projection, we use this formula. The description of this formula is PO, it means base year, N is number of projection year, PN and year, and I is growth. The second formula, we use this formula to count the number of teacher needs. The description of this formula is KGT is total of teacher needed. GR, sorry, it's not suitable with the first word because it is made by Indonesian language. So GR, number of study group. MP is allocation of subject hour per week. 10 is number of subject. 24 is compulsory teaching hours for teachers per week, and number of vice principals. PWK is additional working hours for the vice principal. AS is principal, and the last GBK is counseling guidance teachers. The result of this article, based on the result of the analyzed data or processing data from the formula, it can be concluded that until 2030, Sijunjung Sub-District has experienced an increase in the number of teacher needs. Occurring in 2025, as many as 2 teachers, namely 1 mathematics teachers and 1 science teachers at SMPN 14 Sijunjung. Then in 2026, as many as 2 teachers, namely 1 social studies teacher and 1 English teacher at SMPN 13 Sijunjung. Then in 2027, there will be 1 teacher, namely Indonesian language teacher at SMPN 22 Sijunjung. And finally, in 2028, there will be 4 teachers. 1 person, a teacher of religion and character education, 1 teacher of Pancasila and state citizenship education, and 1 mathematics teacher, and last one is science teacher at SMPN 7 Sijunjung. So totally until 2030, Sijunjung Sub-District need additional teacher as much as 10 teachers. So the discussion. The number of teacher needs presented in the result of this research above is a projection number, just a projection number that may be changed. The author also hope that there will be drastic change for the better by policymaker, so that the growth of education in Sijunjung Sub-District become superior. Okay, I think that's all about our article presentation. Actually, I would like to talk you more about this article, but I just have given limited time, just 5 minutes. So maybe we can discuss this article in other chance. See you. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.